Well, folks, caldera's acting up. We're down to 3 hours. Yeah, when I saw my vision, we only had 2 hours. We got one more left. I'm hoping we can go to 5 minutes. Get down to 2 hours. We're probably going to have to go twice. We might have to do. This one goes before I have to do fucking Yellowstone, right? Over here on this channel, for 2 years I've been making videos. Oldest first, 2 years ago. Go, look at them over here, all the way to the top. You will see every time I open my fucking mouth, I've been absolutely 100% fucking correct. Every time I tell you something's going to happen, it happens. From COVID to the shot, and every aspect of it that you keep coming at me with. Did you know this? Did you know that? Yes, as a matter of fact, I made a video, and I was right. I'm telling you right now, get fucking ready. Tribulations is over. This shit's fixing to get real fucking fast. I gotta tell you right now, we lose about 6 more quakes on here. We're probably gonna have 7. The dash. Oh, get him, Patrick.